So welcome back, you guys. By the title and thumbnail, we are back on YouTube. I do apologize for the long 2.5 possible years of not recording. Just life's been going on, but it's not what you guys are here for. You guys are here for the 2026 Honda Civic Hybrid. Picked this up maybe about 2 weeks ago, about 2.5 weeks ago, and have thoroughly enjoyed it the entire time. Obviously, the last video that I had uploaded was with the 2022 Space Pipe Metallic F-150 that I did have. End up getting rid of that, just having a bigger family, trying to save some money, just financially more smarter things to actually do. I did, have another baby. Me and my wife have had now 2 kids together, and life's honestly been really, really great. And I have a bigger goal in life, and in order to reach that goal, I need to minimize, not so assets, so going from $800 a month payment to $400 a month, about $1,200 to $1,500 in gas, to $30 a week in gas, which obviously you can do the math on that. That's $120 a month. You know what I mean? Just smarter decision. I will have a separate video of my wife's new vehicle that I got her back on Mother's Day. I do apologize for not making videos of the modifications that I've done to this, but we did obviously go with the front lip, side skirts, rear diffuser. These rear diffusers obviously have the cutouts for exhaust tips, but obviously since mine is hybrid, I'm not modifying the exhaust whatsoever, just more aesthetically appeasing, I guess you can say. It did originally come with the Honda Performance Development rear spoiler, so I don't think I'll be changing that anytime soon, or at all, to be honest with you. Again, I've had this car now for about 2.5 weeks, and I've enjoyed it. I honestly have 0 complaints. Getting about 43 miles per gallon. Oh, and obviously I did the lowering springs as well. I just did that Saturday, I guess you could say. Well, not I guess you could say. So a couple of days ago. And again, I've been pretty shit at recording everything, just because I've been trying to hurry up, get stuff going. But I can 100% show you, guide you. If I have a client that wants to get some springs done in the future, I will record that, so I'll have everything documented. I will leave links in the bio for the front splitter, side skirts, and the rear diffuser. Everything came out flush, perfect, my personal opinion. As you can see, it matches up perfectly here, perfectly there. It honestly almost looks OEM, like, a performance package kind of deal, how some people have. But I mean, this looks really, really great, my personal opinion, and I love this color. And I will let you guys know the reason why I did pick this color is because the last 3 vehicles that we've had that I did not have recorded have all been in this same similar color. They have obviously been like Fords, so we did have a carbonized gray F-150. And now we do have the carbonized gray Explorer ST 2025. Again, like I said, I will post that in a separate video, but this is kind of more of an update video for you guys that, don't follow me on Instagram. Just things of that nature. And yeah, this thing is honestly beautiful. And I'm almost at about 1,000 miles. That's the reason why I wanted to really actually record this. As you can see, I'm at 992 miles at 43 miles a gallon, full tank, 425. And yeah, this thing has been perfect. Obviously, these are stock wheels, but you can see how much it tucks in. I will probably eventually later down the line get new wheels that I will record. I will show me installing them. I obviously do all my own labor, I guess, say all my own work on my vehicles. Just I'm a mechanic, so it's easier, cheaper for me to just do it myself. But yeah, if you guys have any questions about anything about this car, please let me know. This thing, honestly, and it's on iBox springs. I don't know if I said that previously. It is on iBox springs, and it drives just like factory. Super smooth. When you do install them, or whoever does install them, you're paying a lot of money for this stuff, so just make sure that they do have all the rubber grommets in the correct placement, because I've seen horror stories and have dealt with horror stories of people doing work and, you know, metal clinking noises, things of that nature. It's all about just taking the time and the integrity to do this kind of stuff. You know what I mean? It's very easy to fuck it up, and it's very easy to just do it right. So yeah, with that being said, I'm gonna get some more footage of this thing, and you guys, again, let me know what else you would like to see on this, because I'm pretty sure it's not done yet. Sorry for the glare. The sun is crazy today, but it does feel beautiful outside. But yes, we are back. And yeah, I appreciate all of you guys, I want to say almost 1,100 of you guys sticking with me. When I fell off of YouTube, I guess you can say, I was at probably like 800 something subscribers, maybe 700. And you guys have just been racking it up. And I humbly appreciate all of you guys. Yeah, like I said, had a baby, life happened, you know what I mean? Just things have been going on. I'm not dead. I'm still alive. I'm always active on Instagram, stuff like that. But yeah, with that being said, I've missed you guys. I'm sure most of you guys have missed me as well, and I do appreciate all of the love and support on and off the channel. I mean, I've even met people in person that I have done work on from the channel, so which is awesome. So yeah, with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next one.